In this video, I will show you a simple method to boost your YouTube thumbnail click-through rate with the help of the current AI tools. This video is part 3 of the Idea to YouTube video mini course. Remember to watch the last lessons before watching this one. The easiest way to boost your click-through rate and views is to make your thumbnail pop up from other thumbnails competing with the same search keywords. If you receive more clicks to your video, YouTube will start to show your video to a broader audience. First, you need to find your competitors' thumbnails. And because we are using MorningFame, you can scroll down on step 4 and you will see here the top 5 thumbnails competing with your keyword. Take a screenshot of these thumbnails, and if there are similarities between them, take a note of them. For example, you can see a picture of a badger in all the thumbnails, so our thumbnail should include that. Next, go to canva.com. Canva is a very powerful image editing program with a massive library of assets that you can use. Even the free version has a lot of assets, but the pro version is only about $100 a year, so it is a no-brainer to have. On the upper right corner, click Create Design and then click YouTube Thumbnail. Click Add Page and copy-paste here your screenshot from competitor thumbnails. Now we can easily compare our thumbnail to the competition when making it. Select the first page and click Design. You can then search here for more specific YouTube thumbnail templates. I search for the term animal to find more specific types of thumbnails. Find a template with the similar objects we see in our competitors' thumbnails. I choose this one because it has a big and clear text and a big picture of the animal in the background. Next, we change the text. I changed the title to 20 Amazing Badger Facts and aligned the text block better. Next, I select the text and click Effects here on the top. I then add this lift text effect to make the text pop out even more. Now I will change the background to have a badger in it. Canva has a huge library of stock photos that you can use. Click here for photos and search for the image you want. I search for a badger. I selected this one because it is a high quality and the badger is the main point in the picture. Now right-click on the picture and select Replace Background. But what if you want to use a picture that other creators haven't used? You would need to pay for a photographer or take it yourself. Lucky for us, there is now another option. Canva now has a feature called Text to Image. It will generate pictures using artificial intelligence. Click Text to Image on the left side and write what picture you want. You can be specific as you want and remember to test many different words to get what you want. When your prompt is ready, select a style for the image and the aspect ratio. I select photo and landscape. Then you just hit Generate Image. I think this one is great and I can align it like this to have room for the main text. But I still want to add another text block. My goal is for this big text to stop people from scrolling. Then I want to add smaller text related to one of the facts in the video to make people want to click even more. I don't have the script for the video yet, so I just search for facts about badgers. One of the facts I found is that badgers have an 800 times sharper sense of smell than humans. I add an arrow pointing to the nose and then text 800 times better. This will make people to click even more because they want to know what this means. Lastly, you can take a screenshot of your thumbnail, paste it to page 2 and align it with your competitors' thumbnails. Now you can check, does it pop out? Is it clearer? Do you want to click it more? Does it have catchier text than the other thumbnails? And so on. I think my thumbnail is better, so we can move on to make a script for this video. In the next video I will show you how to make a script for your YouTube video using ChatGPT. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe to my channel if you liked this video.